We begin today at 5 with news that Bedford's middle school students will learn remotely. They'll do that for the rest of the week. This is because a staff member has tested positive for COVID, and that's created a shortage. In all, there are 10 active cases in the district.
There is a problem that many districts are juggling. It's the same one, but there might be some relief coming soon. Today, Pfizer announced it submitted its data to the FDA to get the vaccine approved for kids 5 to 11.
Sounds like we need our senior health correspondent, Monica Robbins, and it's a good thing she joins us now on the What's New set. Monica, good afternoon to you. So what does this news mean for parents?
Well, it means we're a couple of steps closer to getting kids vaccinated. So that's something, just 2 more steps to go before the kids can get the COVID vaccine. And potentially it could happen as early as Halloween. As of course, today Pfizer-BioNTech submitted data to the Food and Drug Administration to get its COVID-19 vaccine approved for use in kids ages 5 to 11. So in the next week or so, Pfizer will formally apply for emergency use authorization. Meanwhile, the FDA will take several weeks to analyze Pfizer's clinical trial data involving more than 2,000 kids. Pfizer claims the kids were given 2 smaller doses of the vaccine, and the results produced antibody responses similar to those that 16 to 25-year-olds got who got the full dose. Now, side effects were also similar to what adults experienced. More importantly, they claim the vaccine was safe and well tolerated in smaller kids. I would expect the FDA to review this data with a fine-tooth comb, but there could be some wrenches thrown in. If there's a government shutdown, not sure how that would impact the FDA or if it could stall the data analysis. One would hope that's not going to happen or it would have no impact, but we're just going to have to wait and see.
There's always more than just the shutdown for the legislators when that takes place.
Yep.
Certainly. All right. We're talking about Pfizer-BioNTech with this one. We know there's Moderna and Johnson & Johnson. Everybody's going for the same goal. Where are they on their child studies?
So, yeah, Moderna is actually studying kids from 6 months to 12 years, and they're trying to enroll more than 13,000 kids. They want to break them up into different age categories. They have said that they likely won't be ready to submit data until late fall or early winter. Johnson & Johnson says it has completed phases 1 and 2 studies and plans 4 phase 3 studies in pediatric populations. However, they gave no timeline on when their data will be released or when they would be ready to submit the vaccine for FDA authorization for kids. I would guess for Johnson & Johnson, probably late winter into spring. Also, one more thing I want to mention, because I've had a lot of people questioning me on this. Have you heard of Comirnaty?
No.
No, I have not.
Comirnaty is the brand name for the Pfizer vaccine. It is the same exact thing.
Oh, geez.
They just
that can get confusing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So if you hear Comirnaty, it's just the name of the vaccine now.
All right. Well, thanks for clearing that up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we know drugs sometimes have 2 names,
Yeah.
and
Oh, yeah.
it's confusing.
It'll be coming up again, I'm sure.
I'm sure it will.
Wash your hands.
All right, Rachel, thank you. All right, let's now check our daily COVID numbers. And as expected, we had our big Tuesday spike in new cases. Our number today, 7,283 cases. That is 600 above our rolling 21-day average. Our Tuesday number often a big spike because weekend testing slows pretty dramatically.
And 424 more Ohioans were admitted to the hospital for COVID. In all, 3,701 patients are being treated. The good news here, that's 41 fewer patients than yesterday.